The components required for this experiment are Node MC board, DHT22 sensor, connecting cable and connecting wires. Now log into the 𝐒𝐸SP.𝐶𝐨𝐻.me website and here create an account. If you already have an account, click this login button, enter the username and password and click login. Now go to this your projects tiles. Here click add new project. Here we can give the project name. I am giving the project name as IoT project. And give the project's device credentials. Now click the submit button. Now the project is added successfully. Click OK. Now go to Twilio.com website and create an account. If you already have an account, go to login. Here under the email address, click continue. Then we need to enter the password and click the continue button. Now click this Twilio home button and here create a new account. Click create new account. Here we can give an account name. I am giving the name as WhatsApp API. Here select Twilio and click continue. Here I am selecting the billing country as India and click on the create new account button. Now here we need to select what do you plan to build with Twilio. So here select other and then which Twilio product are you here to use. Select WhatsApp and here we can select hobbyist or student. And how do you want to build with Twilio? Here with select with no code at all. Here select something else and click get started with Twilio. Now from the left side menu, click messaging. Here you can see a menu, try it out. Click that and then click on send a WhatsApp message. So here select this checkbox and click confirm. Now go to sandbox settings. So here we created a project in 𝐻ESP website. So here we got an endpoint URL. Copy this URL and paste here and click on the save button. Now go to the sandbox tab. Here you got a contact number. You need to save this number in your mobile phone and then go to WhatsApp, search for this contact and then you need to send this message, join bear-satellites in that chat window. Then after that we need to enter the text to get the output. Let's see how to do that. Now this is our program. So here we need to enter the username, project name and the device credentials. So our username is TechTrends. So here TechTrends. So our project name is IoT project. Copy this and paste here. And the device credentials also I gave TechTrends. Then we need to enter the Wi-Fi username and password. Now we need to upload the program. For that, go to this drop down. Here click this edit button and here search for the board Node MC 1.0. Select the board, click OK, and here the port will be already selected. Now click this upload button and upload the program to the Node MC board. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Node MC board. Now we can check the output.